Imagine a world without ice. Not a world with slightly warmer summers, but a world where entire cities slip beneath the rising seas and coastlines curl into new shapes like a giant cartographer with a mischievous brush. It begins with a simple, disturbing question. What if every glacier, every polar sheet, every frozen mountain crown melted into the ocean? Stay with this thought, because by the end, we will see how it reshapes not only geography, but our understanding of our own future. Picture the majestic ice caps disappearing in a slow, cinematic dissolve. At first, it seems peaceful, almost beautiful, like watching a snow globe melt under soft light. But then the oceans begin to swell, quietly at first, then with the confidence of a performer stepping onto a grand stage. Sea levels rise by more than 60 meters, enough to turn familiar coastlines into myths. Entire nations fade under swirling blue, while new islands emerge from once frozen land. Miami vanishes beneath shimmering waves. London breaks apart into a delicate chain of islands. The low valleys of Asia fill like enormous baths, and the Amazon basin, without its cooling winds and glacier-fed rivers, transforms into a vast, dry plain. The atmosphere joins this transformation with unexpected enthusiasm. Without the brilliant white of polar ice to reflect sunlight, the planet absorbs more heat, oceans expand, moisture rises, storms intensify, and every cloud seems to carry a hint of dramatic purpose. It is as if the global weather system has been handed a new script, one filled with sweeping wide shots and towering tempests suitable for the most ambitious animated film. Humanity adapts in ways both ingenious and humorous. Coastal megacities relocate to the highlands, building glittering new skylines on ridges that once held lonely hiking trails. People begin to travel between former continents along new ocean routes that curve across freshly formed seas. Farmers chase the shifting climate, planting vineyards where tundra once slept. Architects design floating neighborhoods shaped like giant petals to ride the new lagoons. Historians squint at old maps and sigh, wondering why past generations insisted on living so close to the water in the first place. Yet beneath the spectacle lies a quiet philosophical echo. A planet without ice reminds us that Earth is never still, never permanent, and never finished. The grand transformation is not simply a scientific event, but a mirror held up to our own choices and imagination. In the end, we discover that the real story is not about the lost cities or the drowned coastlines, but about humanity learning to rethink its place on a living, shifting world. And as the last glimmer of ancient ice disappears into the sea, the question that began this journey becomes a gentle reminder. Our future is written not by what melts, but by how boldly we choose to respond.